Do you want to curl your hair without them being damaged? So keep watching this video till the end. Girls are aware that our hair is essential to us and that styling can be both the greatest and the worst aspect of the experience. I frequently worry that using a curling iron would damage my hair because we're taught from a young age by our mothers and grandmothers that utilizing equipment that produces an excessive amount of heat is typically bad for your hair. Nonetheless, I now have a solution and I'm going to share them with you all. Because hairstyling tools like curlers and straighteners may be very harmful to our hair, as well as the fact that we must apply numerous hair care products prior to using these heating equipment, these solutions can give you effortless and great curls without even harming your hair. Well, I have 3 ways that you can get curls without using heat. So let's get started. A common item in every girl's makeup kit are claw clips. Yes, you can use those claw clips to curl your hair. Your hair will stay curled in this manner for 4 to 5 hours, making it the simplest method available. Using claw clips to curl hair hasn't received much attention, and no one has really talked about it. But I'll show you how to accomplish it today. Let me start by stating that these wavy curls are really trendy and have been worn by many celebs, like Aishwarya Rai in the film Fanny Khan and Alia Bhatt in her most recent airport appearance. You simply need to divide your hair into 2 equal parts, then into smaller sections. Take each of these smaller sections in 2, then roll them around one another to form a braid. Finally, secure the braid with a claw clip. Don't opt for too tight of a claw clip as it will affect the roots of your hair. Look at how simple and effective this procedure is. Keep them on for 20 to 25 minutes and then remove it. Here are the results. Guys, I think this looks pretty amazing. With bobby pins, your hair can be curled easily and without frizz. Despite the fact this may seem weird, you only need to separate your hair into small sections according to the length of your hair. Then roll each section of your hair and secure it with a bobby pin. Do the same with each and every part you've divided, then form a bun out of them and bind it with a bobby pin. You can get Kriti Sanon's famous signature curls. I believe that this is the best and the simplest way to style your hair, whether you want curls, beach waves or straight hair. Leaving damp hair is the best and simplest way to get those styles. So with this damp hair, I'll simply braid or make into a bun, then let it air dry. The most crucial step is to use a hair serum or hair protection cream to protect your hair from damage. Braiding or making a bun out of wet hair can be harmful and cause hair loss. So use the right hair protection product before doing so. You'll see that you can achieve correct curls that persist for at least 4 to 5 hours. Don't keep your damp hair in a bun for too long as it can cause damage to your hair and your hair is more prone to break. Now I will remove these braids and ta-da! As you can see, I've got these amazing heatless curls. Also, lazy ones like me should definitely be aware of this hack for getting curls without even harming their hair. Let me also add that if you're an admirer of Tara Sultaria, you must attempt these curls because she spots a similar style in the films Tarap, Ek Villain 2 and currently at Ek Villain 2 promotional events. If you have issues with hair fall and hair damage, I advise you to give these heatless curls a shot, so you can look great and also protect your hair. So guys, have you ever tried any other methods besides the one I've mentioned? If so, please share them with us and keep following us for more such amazing content.